Hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavna Sisodia and I'm back with another video. I know I'm not posting much on YouTube, but I just had a thought yesterday night and I have seen a lot of videos regarding that one thing which I want to share and discuss about. So have you guys noticed that most of the Indian girls are skipping foundations for their daily uses or like everyday makeup? ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कुछ लगाना ही रहे हैं, but there's something on their face, but it's not foundation. So instead of foundation, they are using tinted sunscreen. Like these are the trends going on. You must have seen lot of videos about tinted sunscreen. A lot of brands have been posting about it and launching new tinted sunscreens. And after trying so many sunscreens, like tinted sunscreens from different brands, I know why they are using them instead of a foundation. Like instead of going with foundation on a daily basis, I know why they are going with a tinted sunscreen because I myself have tried it and I have been using it since a year now. Like as you guys know, ये वाला समर बहुत ही खराब वाला था. Like बहुत ही खतरनाक वाला समर था. There have been a lot of humidity in the air and बहुत ज़्यादा like greasy हो जा रहा था. जिनके oily face है भी नहीं, like जिनके oily combination skin है भी नहीं, उनका भी face ऐसे oily और cakey दिखता था. Like using a foundation in a weather like this, like especially in India, have become something that no one will prefer. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये साल 41 या 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे टेम्परेचर गया था in the summer, and with the changing weather and the summer and the heat and humidity, like we are facing a lot of problem, like skin related problems भी बहुत हो रहे हैं. Like we are affecting our barrier, हमारा skin pigmentation हो रहा है, tan हो रहा है, acne आ रहे हैं, like everything is going wrong. And with changing all the makeup, we have also changed a lot of products in our sunscreen or like daily का जो स्किन केयर है वो भी हमने चेंज कर दिया है. So in today's video I'll be talking about why tinted sunscreens are everywhere now and who can try them, and is it worth replacing them with a foundation or not. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the most common question you guys must have been having is like why foundation is not working, or like we have to skip foundation, like why foundation is not actually working for many people. See, let's be honest, foundation is great. I'm not complaining that ये बहुत खराब वाली चीज है या ये लगाना नहीं चाहिए, but to be honest, like foundation is great for weddings या कोई big function हो या कहाँ पे like you need a glamour or a full face of makeup जहाँ पे necessity है. On a daily basis you can't always apply a foundation. Like think about this thing, you are applying a foundation for going to office, college, या फिर कहीं पे shopping करने जाना हो, या फिर you are going with your like friends or family or anywhere like a coffee date or कुछ भी हो, and you are wearing a foundation, that too in a weather with a 45 degree Celsius temperature outside. Your pores will be clogged, your skin will get irritated. Being a oily acne prone skin girly, I hate applying my moisturizer also. Like कुछ अगर moisturizer हो भी heavy वाला तो it makes me feel heavy, like मेरे face पे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा लिया है मैंने, प्लस बहुत स्वेटी हो जाता है सच्ची में देखा जाए तो. माई टी जोन इज ऑलवेज स्वेटिंग इफ आई हैव अप्लाइड अ हैवी मॉइस्चराइजर. लाइक मॉइस्चराइजर के साथ ही मेरा ये हाल है, लाइक ऑयली स्किन होने की वजह से, एंड उसके ऊपर मैं फाउंडेशन लगा लो, मेकअप कर लो, मेरे से नहीं होगा. और अगर तुम्हारी स्किन ड्राई भी है, यू नो यू आर गोइंग टू स्वेट इन 45 डिग्री टेम्परेचर ऑफ कोर्स. तो अगर ऐसे भी कर लो ना, यहाँ से मेकअप निकलने वाला है, कहीं से भी मेकअप निकल जाएगा, वो की दिखेगा, ऊपर से वो बहुत ज्यादा, लाइक जितना मेकअप करोगे उतना स्वेट करने वाले हो, तो ये भी ध्यान में रखा करो. और कुछ कुछ तो बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं, ऊपर से दे आर नॉट सो प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट द सन. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई मोस्ट पीपल आर स्विचिंग टू समथिंग अल्टरनेटिव जो लाइट वेट हो, ज्यादा हैवी ना हो फेस पे, एंड दे कैन दैट लाइक यूज ऑन अ डेली basis rather than forcing themselves to use something so heavy on the face every day. Now here enters the tinted sunscreen part. Like think of it as a two steps becoming one. Like you're still getting your SPF protection, which a lot of dermatologists have been talking about lately, and also you'll get a little bit of tint on your face, and just like आपके स्किन को वो even out भी करेगा. So instead of like applying a sunscreen first, उसके ऊपर टिंट लगाओ या फिर फाउंडेशन लगाओ, बहुत सारे स्टेप हो जाते हैं. इससे अच्छा if you are using a tinted sunscreen, वो एक ही स्टेप हो जाता है, प्लस इट गेट्स मच फास्टर देन अप्लाइंग 2 to 3 प्रोडक्ट्स. एक ही स्टेप से अगर तुम लगा रहे हो ना कुछ, तो इट विल मेक योर स्किन लुक हेल्दियर, ग्लोइंग, एंड ऑल्सो ऐसे लगेगा नहीं कि तुमने कुछ लगाया है फेस पे. इट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव अप्लाइड समथिंग, बट इट्स मोर लाइक योर स्किन ओनली, लाइक यू ओनली, एंड दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर सीइंग इन दिस जनरेशन. लाइक लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला हो गया, नो मेकअप लुक हो गया, वो जो लगे कि तुम्हारे जैसा हो, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेंड people are wanting now. If you want a tutorial on this, I have already posted about this one thing, and you can check my page, or else I'll be linking the video in description itself. At the end, क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा, who should try it? Like if you are someone like me who hates heavy foundation, who hates applying foundation, who hates heavy makeup, और जिसको की पसंद नहीं है, या मॉइस्चराइजर से भी हम स्वेट करते हैं अराउंड आवर टी जोन और एनीथिंग, you can try a tinted sunscreen. It has SPF. Also, it has a tint which will cover up all your uneven skin tone. Also, if you want to try a makeup look that will actually be completed in 5 minutes, like जिसको college जाना हो, they are always in a rush or something, you can use this one. So that's it for today's video. Also, I will love to know what you guys prefer. Like you are still a foundation person or you have already switched to a tinted sunscreen. Also, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, like this video if you found it informative. Please comment below and let me know your thoughts on it. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye.